Alright, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is Soya Farms Company Limited. This is Catfish Hatchery, and I am the hatchery operator here. What you are seeing in there is called Harper. This, or let's say yesterday in the morning, we removed some eggs and we put them on the platform. Some people call it platform, Harper or Kakaban. So we place the eggs on them. You can see here. So they have fully hatched. Successfully hatched. Almost 90% to 100% have hatched so far. So right now I'm going to remove the Harper from the water, so that the eggs or the eggshells or unhatched eggs and the other eggs that cannot hatch, they will not pollute this water for them to die. So I will remove them from these tanks, these two tanks, and then I'll come and place them here. That's why you can see that there is a water flowing into this tank and then this tank. So I will remove this Kakaban platform or whatever I'll remove them from here and then place them here. There are still some fries that are on the Kakaban or that are on the Harper. So we don't want them to die, so we have to take the Harper gently from this place and then put it here. For those that have not dropped through the Kakaban, they can drop here, so that everything or none of them will die, or these ones here will not be the water here will not be polluted. That is exactly what I'm doing here. It's not only this one alone that we have hatched. Come, let me show you something. Yeah, looking at this one, which a lot of people have never seen before, we have used what we call rubber, black rubber, to do it. The one that they have been selling here, 20 cedis. That's what we use to